Hello financial enthusiasts, welcome to our channel where we unravel the mysteries of wealth building and financial freedom. Today we delve into a topic that holds the key to financial independence, unlocking the power of passive income. Passive income, often referred to as the holy grail of wealth building, allows your money to work for you, providing a steady stream of earning with minimal effort on your part. Let's explore some powerful strategies to harness the true potential of passive income. First on our list is dividend investing. By investing in dividend-paying stocks, you not only benefit from potential stock appreciation, but also receive regular dividend payments. It's like having your money work in double shifts. Next, let's talk about real estate crowdfunding. Thanks to technological advancements, you can now invest in real estate with a relatively small amount of money. Real estate crowdfunding platforms enable you to participate in lucrative real estate deals and earn a share of the profits. Moving on to create and sell digital products. In the digital age, creating and selling ebooks, online courses, or digital art can generate passive income. Once you put in the intentional effort, these products can continue to generate revenue with minimum ongoing work. Fourth, consider automated online businesses. From dropshipping to affiliate marketing, there are various online business models that can be automated. This allows you to earn income even while you sleep, giving you the freedom to focus on what matters most. Sixth on our list is royalties from intellectual property. If you possess artistic or musical talents, consider licensing your work. Every time your art, music, or writing is used or sold, you receive royalties. It's a creative way to turn your passions into revenue stream. Seventh, embrace the power of affiliate marketing. By promoting other people's products and earning a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link, you can create a passive income stream. Choose products aligned with your audience for better results. Let's not forget high-yield saving accounts and CDs. While not as flashy as some other strategies, these traditional methods offer a safe and reliable way to earn passive income through interest. It's like planting seeds that grow over time. 8th, create a YouTube channel or blog. If you enjoy creating content, platforms like YouTube or blogging can turn your passion into profit. As your content gains traction, you can earn money through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Penultimately, consider rental income from property. Owning rental properties can provide a consistent stream of passive income. With careful property selection and management, real estate can be a powerful tool for wealth accumulation. Lastly, automatic saving and investments. Set up automated transfers to your saving or investment accounts. This disciplined approach ensures that a portion of your income goes directly towards building wealth without requiring constant attention. These strategies represent the diverse landscape of passive income opportunities. Remember, the key is to diversify and tailor your approach to match your skills, interests, and financial goals. If you found these strategies insightful and you're ready to embark on your journey to financial freedom, don't forget to hit the like button, share your thoughts in a comment, and subscribe for more valuable insights. Until our next exploration of financial wisdom, keep unlocking the power of passive income. This is Financial Whiteboard.